Hello children, we will be celebrating Art Integration Week. As Maths teacher, I Archana Khurana, Jyotsna ma'am and Rama ma'am are going to integrate mathematics in arts. As art and maths look like completely separate subjects as right versus left brain, creative versus analytical, imaginative versus practical. In other words, art and mathematics are closely related in terms of reasoning skills and pattern recognition. Art and mathematics both use geometry in their work. As our theme is simple machine, so we are going to make various machines using shapes, and we will also learn to shape them using pencil. Okay. As you all know children, there are shapes all around us. Shapes are of many kinds, two-dimensional and three-dimensional shapes. 2D shapes has two measurements, length and breadth. However, 3D shapes has three measurements, length, breadth and height. Examples of 2D shapes are square, rectangle, circle and triangle. Okay, and examples of 3D shapes are cone, sphere, cube, cuboid and this cylinder. Okay, now children, let us learn to add shading with a pencil to shapes so that it will help you to shape the machine which you will draw later. Now, what is shading? Shading is a process of adding value to the drawing. When executed correctly, shading can make a drawing appear three-dimensional. The most common technique includes drawing lines in the same direction and closely together. It is called hatching. Students, if you have to give darker tone to the shade, then you should draw more lines there. The darker tone comes with more lines and not pressure. After hatching, you will use finger or you can use cotton or other blending tool to blend it. Now, watch the pencil shading video made by your art teacher, Mrs. Reena Chaudhary. Now, let's watch.
Your maths teacher. Today we will make a bicycle on a plain page using different 2D shapes.
Dear students, let's make a bicycle on a plain paper. For that we need to make two circles, and in between these two circles we will make a triangle, and we will join the two vertices of triangle with the centers of two circle, and on the remaining vertex of triangle we will draw one more circle for its pedal. Now we will make the seat of bicycle in triangular shape and shade it also. Now we will make the handles of bicycle in rectangular shape and the pedal of the bicycle in rectangular shape also. Now we will make the two small circle in between the two big circles, and on the last circle we will make one more circle, small circle, for its chain. Now for the proper shape of the wheels we will make the diameters on the circle and shade the wheels. Dear students, for making this bicycle we have used different 2D shapes. We have used 7 circles, 1 triangle and 4 rectangles.
Students, I am Ragma Kakkar, your maths teacher. Today we will draw raw pulley system by using different geometrical shapes. Pulley system can be used to lift weights safely and effectively. For example, drawing water from the well by using raw pulley system. Let's start. Firstly, we will make two circles with the help of compass. Now we are drawing a small rectangle to make pulley. Now we will give this name to pulley. Again we are drawing a rectangle that is perpendicular to the pulley to make beam. Now give name beam. Now we are drawing a line segment at the bottom to make floor. We are drawing a pillar in the form of rectangle. We will give this name to the pillar. Now we are drawing a man. For drawing the man we are using the stick diagram, and the legs is in the shape of triangle. Now rope is in the shape of line, and the weight we are making is in the form of square. The weight is in the form of square. Clear? After this we are making a rope is in the form of line segment, and the person holding the rope by their hands, the hands is in the shape of triangle. We will give this name to man. Rope, again rope. Okay, the weight, after this the weight is 100 kilogram. The weight is 100 kilogram. Now giving the names to each, and the bottom give name floor. After this see beam, pillar, rope, pulley, man, weight. Clear? Now we will count rectangles for 1, 2 and 3. Number of rectangles 3. Circles, 1 bigger, 1 smaller and 1 also this bigger. 3 circles. Now lines, this is first line, this is second line, and this is third line, and this is fourth line. Square, number of square 1. Triangles 1, 2. 2 triangles. Clear? Dear students, you can make any machine by using these shapes. Hope you will make beautiful machines by using these shapes, and you will also shade it nicely. We are waiting for your drawing. So make it and send it to us. Happy learning, students.